Okay, today, guys, we're going to do the function machine and function notation. I know it looks really scary with all this f of x and g of x stuff, but it's super, super easy. The way to think about it is a function can be thought of as a machine that assigns one output.
Two fingers. So just if you want to drag it, use two fingers, and you can zoom in and zoom out.
Okay, they just heard all that. Is that okay? I
Yes.
forgot to stop it. All right, as you can tell, I'm getting a lesson on how to do Doceri. One output to one input. So think about this. We're talking about x and y's. And what this does is for every x, there's a y. And when we look at this, the f here is simply the name. And you're going to see one of four ways generally. F of x, g of x, h of x, or a of x. But it doesn't matter. They could put smiley face of x. It's still a function. The x here that we see, this is what to input. You'll hear us also say plug and chug. This is what you plug in and chug through the equation. The f of x as a whole, this is the output of the function. Also, this is y equals. You need to get this in your mind now. F of x and y equals are the exact same thing. Don't ever forget that. That's one of the important things we do. And this 3x plus 4, this is the function. So this is telling us exactly what to do. All right, so let's look at our function machine and see how it goes. All right, so here are the two parts that are important, the f of 2. Remember we were doing the f of x equals 3x plus 4. So this says f of 2. Well, this 2 is just the x, so 2. We're going to input it in our machine. Think again about a gumball machine. You put a quarter in, you get a gumball out. This 2 is our quarter. Then we're going to do 3x plus 4. 3, but we know that x is really 2 plus 4. Now we're just down to order of operations. Think back to 5th and 6th grade. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And we read this as when x is 2, then y is 10. And it actually makes an ordered pair. And we're going to get tomorrow or the next day into graphing this so you'll see where this actually goes. All right, try the next one on your own. Remember, we're using 3x plus 4. The x is -1. Pause it and try it. All right, I hope you came back. 3 times -1 plus 4. 3 times -1 is -3, plus 4 is 1. So to read this, when x is -1, then y is 1, or the ordered pair of -1, 1. All right, the next video will be over the white sheet. Thanks.